In this video, I am showing how we can create a bottle like this. Look at bottom side of the bottle. I created a beautiful design. So let's starting this tutorial. Go to Blender and take a cylinder mesh from the Add menu. Go to Edit mode by pressing Tab button and select top face of the bottle. First, we make top of the bottle. So press E and Z to extrude and press S to smaller. In the same way, we create more and more face to create a bottle design. Just watching. Okay, we created top side of the bottle. Now size it along the Z-axis. And in the previous way, we make bottom side of the bottle. Just watching. Now we make a beautiful design under the bottle. Select 3 face with 3 faces gap like this. And extrude to Z-axis. Now select the circle face and move to Z-axis some. Create another face by pressing I to create a design like this. Now take a loop cut for apply subdivision surface. Otherwise the bottle will not look perfect. Go to Modify and take subdivision surface. Increase volume to smoother. We can see a nice face of the bottle, but TP cap isn't separated. To separate the cap, go to Edit mode and turn on Warframe mode and just select the cap. Press P to separate from the bottle. Apply Solidify modifier from the Modify menu. We can see the cap is separated, but the screw is removed of the bottle. So we take a screw. Go to Warframe again and select top vertex by pressing Alt button and extrude to Z-axis. AMD, finally we got a better result. Apply Solidify modifier from the Modify menu. If we add some texture on the bottle, then we will see its reality. This video will be long, so I want to show texturing in another video. Guys must subscribe the channel for more videos.